Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our Watch 7 Elite smartwatch, and this time we are going to compare. Okay, let me go to its features here. We are going to compare its heart rate as well as the blood pressure monitoring with our medical grade device. Okay, so we will check, okay, and we will have a simultaneous checking of our health sensors also. Okay, so let's start. Let me prepare. Okay, so let me prepare the blood pressure monitoring here from Omron. Okay, we already attached it here, the bag. So let's check and monitor our blood pressure here as well as the heart rate. Okay, so let's check and let's start. Again, after this, we are going to check our heart rate as well as blood pressure with our Watch 7 Elite smartwatch. And we'll see if we do have an accurate result or at least close result to our medical grade device here. So you can see whether it does have a good sensor or a fake one. Okay. Okay, small, as you can see, most of the cheap wearables in the market do have a random, okay, monitoring of health. Okay, so we have 123/90 and we have 84 beats per minute here. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, let's wait and let's start. Okay, so we can have a reliable result. Let's put it in a proper place. Okay, the first results somewhat like I moved, and of course I did not put the strap here or the blood pressure bag properly, so let's adjust it and let's have the much reliable results than the previous one. Okay, so we have 115/86 and we have 83 beats per minute. Okay, so let's check with our smartwatch here. Okay, so our heart rate is somewhat elevated here. We'll see if the smartwatch will be able to detect it also. Again, we have 83. Let's see if we'll have the same results here, or at least closer result to our heart rate. And we have 81 here. We'll see. 76. Seems like it is averaging on. Okay, it jumps, okay, from 81 to 76 to 90, and now it is 84. I don't know if this is random or we have a actual result. Okay, let's wait. When it stops, we'll see the actual result of our heart rate. Okay, seems like it's giving us a random number here. I don't know. It's still calculating and it's not stopping. I don't know if we did not set it to automatic monitoring. Okay, seems like we do have a random results here. I don't know, maybe Okay, so far it's still the sensor still monitoring our HR here. Okay, I think we should stop it. Okay, just we'll give it another 10 seconds here, then we'll end it. Okay, so it seems like it is giving us a random heart rate. Okay, let me check. Okay, we have 115/86 and 83. How about for the blood pressure here? So it's already okay, disappointing results. Okay, seems like our blood pressure here, our heart rate is providing in random number compared to other wearables here with in a Apple Watch clone series. So we have 119/81. Okay, 117/79, 118/79. Okay, we don't have a fixed results here. It's giving a random number here, a random results. Okay, as you can see. So it's not, okay, it is not pausing. It keeps on checking and providing us a random results here. So I think the sensor here for the heart rate as well as the blood pressure, I don't know, maybe it's fake. Okay, although it shows the light here, maybe it's just an animation, or yes, random light, LED light, but there's no sensor. See, as you can see, it keeps on providing a random results. So that's it for the verdict. I think we do have a fake sensor for the Watch 7 Elite smartwatch. I don't know, maybe. Okay, as you can see here, it's still providing results. Unlike other wearable that it stops and it goes back to zero when you remove the wearable from your wrist. Okay. Okay, so far that's it for the check and comparing the Watch 7 Elite smartwatch sensor compared with our medical grade device here. So what do you think? Do you have this wearable? Does it shows an accurate result or closer to results? Please drop us a comment below. Okay, so no need to compare it simultaneously with a medical grade device. As you can see, it just keeps on providing a results even though that I'm not wearing it. Okay, again, so if you have any questions, just drop a comment below. This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.